On this video, I will show you how to make a banner art for your YouTube channel. This is a channel banner art. You can customize this by letting other people know at a glance what your channel is about and what value you can offer to them. We will use Canva to make this channel banner art. Canva is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. The app includes templates for users to use. The platform is free to use and offers paid subscriptions like Canva Pro and Canva for Enterprise for additional functionality. Let's now go to the demo. First is you need to create a Canva account by signing up. Just follow the simple process to create your account. Once you are already logged in, type in the search bar YouTube channel art. Search results will give you the channel art templates available to choose from. Some designs are paid, but many of them are free. You just need to pick one that you like or fits your channel. You can also create from a blank template. But for this demo, I will just choose one from the available designs. I chose this yellow Simple Education YouTube channel art. Once you pick a design that you like, just click it. A new tab will appear that will allow you to edit your chosen design. Just double-click on the text to edit. You can type here your channel name. Same with the subtitle, you can type here what your channel is all about or what the viewers will expect to see on it. You can adjust some of its elements by clicking on the object and adjusting its size and position. You can also edit or delete the clip arts that goes with the design. I will change this icon into a desktop. Just click Elements on the left side of your screen. On the search bar, you can type the item you're looking for. In this case, I want a desktop icon PNG for transparent images. I will select only a free icon. Once you are all set and satisfied with your channel art, download it on your desktop. Go now to your YouTube channel account. Click Customize Channel. Go to Customization, then click the Branding tab. In the banner image section, upload your downloaded YouTube channel art. You will be given a preview and you can crop the image to fit in the sections that will be viewable in all devices. Click Done and Publish. Then click View Channel to see what it looks like in your channel homepage. That's how simple to create a channel banner art in Canva. Watch my other YouTube related videos here. See you there.